Join me as I dive into the challenge of figuring out how much money is actually enough for a comfortable retirement. Let's cut through the fluff and get to the good stuff. First things first, what are you even investing in? Stocks, shares, or that sweet, sweet real estate? Let's say you pick real estate because you love the idea of owning actual bricks and mortar. Step 1. Chat up a mortgage broker to see how much money you can borrow without selling a kidney. Step 2. Check your savings. Hopefully you watched our first video on building cash flow and have some cash stashed away. Found a home you can afford? Awesome. Work backwards now. Figure out your survival budget for a year, say $100K. If your rental income is $1,000 a week, that's $52K a year. Subtract 10% for expenses, and you're left with $46,800. Fully paid in 30 years, no mortgage, no worries. Now, do some math magic and figure out how many houses you need to hit your goal. It's not rocket science, it's real estate. And this is yet another tip from a secret millionaire. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips. If you've started planning for your retirement, share your experiences and tips in the comments below.